feel like days. Only been days, but it feels like months.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Star Girl, your favorite hairstylist and Ghana girl, period.
You can bank on it. You can put 100.
So today, guess what we're doing? We're installing a Pixie cut wig, period.
Lele call me bank on it. Cause I walk around with the bank on it. Show them gang.
So I'm excited for this wig. I'm excited for the outcome. I'm excited for everything because she's been wanting this for time and we know we're going to look good. So I do 4 layers of the wig buffet glue. The glue is 1010, I promise you. Go get one.
If a boy feel macho, make him lick red like a tomato. If him not dead, then he come out.
So make sure to blow dry on cold heat so the glue can dry a bit clearer before you put the lace on.
It comes as I go. God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbors.
So we were going out at 9:30 and we only started the install at 9. Yeah, there's no way we're going out.
Me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbors.
Lace is a material and lace will forever be a material, but in order to give scalp, this is what I like to do. Just follow what I'm doing in the video and yep, trust me, it gonna give scalp, period. So for beginners, I would advise that you cut the ear tabs off first. That would help you install the hair easily. Yeah, do that. I just like to do it after I've installed it sometimes.
Should be not this kind of things where they make man see ya. And me, I understand, so your dad know like me. See me, I want make you know, say me there for you, cara.
Look, our hair getting spoiled. Anyways, I provide refreshments, jollof, 3-course meal, whatever you want, baby. I provide it.
I never tell you, baby. This love will make me this naughty. No.
Customer service is 1010, period.
I'm not gonna want make you, baby. I feel like making you, oh baby, oh no.
The melt bun you use to melt your lace really matters, I promise you. I like to use 2 melt buns from the Wig Buffet, double the pressure, better the melt. Clients will complain that their head is hurting and all that. Like, sis, we gotta get this melt. Beauty is pain. I leave the band on for about 15 minutes, and after 15 minutes I take it off. I cut the lace, cut the excess lace, just glue down any part that I didn't glue down, and yeah.
Whip, body, crib, got it, job on it. Did I ever ask you?
Gorgeous girls, book the Wig Buffet, period.
Overseas and just drape me in Gucci, no. All I ever asked was you to pick up the phone.
I like to go in with a black ebon spray just for an extra hold and, you know, extra melt.
You should go to the club with your boys, baby. I never wanted you to stay too long, just wanted you to show me up. So won't you say my name, say my name? If you claim you want me, it ain't no thing. You acting kinda shady. You ain't been calling me baby. Boy, you can go stop playing games, playing games. I know you see it in my line, I'm on your mind.
Is one of my most annoying clients. She be scared of the hot comb, like I'm gonna burn her forehead. Like, yes I will, stop moving.
Actions, I need more than satisfaction. Did you really feel like that action? Really wanna give you all, but flex in front of your friends. How that works? Swear that you're doing the most, but we take a picture, keep.
More videos are going to be out soon, so make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Tip: get a metallic comb. Get a metallic comb.
This one I better do. Me, I no get time. Dada cover my face, calling me that back out. Biggie man, wait to be where I back that. What's it going? G-Wagon, all depending. They get them, ride the whip. I know we die for nothing. What's it going? G-Wagon, all depending. They get them, ride the whip. I know we die for nothing. Make you know say anything when you do, they must commend it. So anything when you do, I dey try to do I'm plenty
Should be a girl's best friend. And that's on period.
I don't want buy, I don't want die, I don't want payment, I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. Tell me, what's it going? G-Wagon, all the Bentley, they get them, ride the whip, I know we die for nothing. What's it going? G-Wagon, all the Bentley.
So we were going for an extra like natural kind of like hair growing from my scalp kind of look.
Now one night for shows, I'm juggling, rolling the ocean, boat I'm paddling. Sharashina fella, that's my bro, my family, frozen dreams. When it comes to money, I they concentrate. Like I tell you straight, you are not my mate. If you become a shall not be head of state. But my people then go say I don't want buy.
Guys, just watch the video. Everything you need to know is in the video, free of charge. Like, comment and subscribe.
What's it going? G-Wagon, all depending. They get them, ride the whip. I know we die for nothing.
Look at that melt. Wow. As a girl, you definitely need to try a Pixie cut wig once in your lifetime. She looks so gorgeous.
Period.